After you get your potato that you want to use, the first thing you want to do, you want to wash that girl off. Wash it off real good. Next, you want to get you a plate or a bowl. I'm using a bowl today. And you want to throw that girl in the microwave. Put her on 6 minutes. Here's a tip. 3 minutes into her getting hot, you want to flip her over. You want to open up the microwave and flip her over. This way you know she'll be done on both sides. Yeah, 6 minutes past, you want to take her out the microwave. And she ready to be split down the middle and open up the legs. I bust her open, and what I like to do to mine, I like to throw onions in her. Sprinkle some soul food seasoning on her. And you can sprinkle as much as you like. If you ain't seasoned, you ain't seasoned. Yeah, just like that. Okay, now what I like to do, I like to put some of that hot chili sauce on her. And I sprinkle that all through the middle. Get her wet. Next, what I like to do, I like to get my black pepper. I'm trying to get her open with my right hand. She kind of still stuck on there. I got her though. And I spray that pepper all down the middle. Not too much. I ain't big on the pepper. And you know you gotta have that mayo. Man, I open that mayo. I give me a fork like this here. And I just dump it right in the middle. I dump it right in the middle and I spread it out. Spread it out. You can put as much mayo as you like. You can put as less mayo as you like. One substitute, you can even put ranch if you want to. That may even be better. And I just spread that mayo all over because we got that onions in there. We got that chili sauce. I just spread it all in there. Now, this step here is optional, but for me, I don't like to cut up my baked potato with my fork. You know what I'm saying? I want to take bite sizes with my fork. So what I do is I just get that knife and I cut it horizontal. I cut it vertical. I cut it vertical. I cut it horizontal so it'll be easy for me to pick up when I'm ready to eat it. If you choose to cut her up with a knife, you want to make sure you're going all the way in there. Go real deep because the skin, it won't be all the way cut and you wind up having to cut that with your fork. So that's why I kind of like repeat the process because I want to make sure she cut up. Then after that, you get your fork, just kind of poke through, make sure everything good. You know what I mean? You cut through the skin, shit like that. Oh yeah, she ready. Get you a mouthful on the fork. Let me tell you folks, she tastes like heaven. Tastes just like heaven. Must be food from the gods.
Ain't be that far away. I'm just trying to make something different of you.